Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to continue the revision of the lesson Autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. So, in previous period, we have revised some question answers. Remaining question answers we will discuss now. So, question number 6, I have already told you. With the help of internet and other sources, obtain more information about the critically endangered birds and animals in India. Find the names of their sanctuaries. Okay. Some critically endangered birds and animals in India are critically endangered birds are those that are likely to become extinct in the wild. They became extinct. Their species became extinct day by day. Okay. We may never see them again. We may never see them again. We will see them in the picture only. Okay. So they are day by day they became extinct. So these species are forest owlet, Indian vulture, Siberian crane, Deolali minnow. This is a fish name. Asiatic cheetah, Himalayan wolf, and Amboli toad. These are the some animals. They are became extinct. So we have to take the internet help, okay, obtain some more information about the critically endangered birds and animals. Okay. Now, so you have to collect. So we have done this question. Now, question number 7: prepare a poster on the need for the conservation of Great Indian Bustard. So you have to make one poster for the conservation of Great Indian Bustard. Now, question number 8 we have done. This is, I have given you, write a short autobiography of any bird or animal of your choice. Okay. Prepare a poster on the need for the conservation of the Great Indian Bustard. You want to prepare one poster. Okay. So, which is your favorite bird or animal? You have to write down about your favorite bird or animal. Autobiography. As we have studied the autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. Okay. So you have to write down about your, I have told you about my favorite birds autobiography. And with the help of that, I have told you that you have to write down the autobiography of your favorite bird. Okay. So I hope you have written. So you can write any bird, or you can take any animal also. So you have to write down why you like the most. Okay, which thing attract you about this special bird or animal, like this. Okay. Now, see again. For example, I can tell you. I reside a dense jungle. I love rains and express my joy by dancing in the rain. People say watching my dance is indeed a beautiful sight. Okay, yes, I am a peacock. So I am telling you about the autobiography of my favorite bird, peacock. So likewise, you have to write down. See, I long to fly in the high blue sky like the pigeon. I wish I could fly above the clouds and beyond. Alas, it is not possible. But I count my blessings, my beauty, and the fact that I am the national bird of India. Peacock is the, all of you, national bird of India. Gives me reasons to rejoice and celebrate. Next time you see a graceful bird with a bright, shining tail, dancing to its heart's content in the rainy seasons, you can be rest assured it's me. I have a humble request. Please preserve and protect us. Many of us, my fellow beings, are on the verge of extinction. Please save us, else we will soon become a part of the history. Please save us. Okay. Life is the only way to solve all the problems faced by the world. Harmony between man and wildlife. Come together, let us coexist. Come together, let us coexist. Okay. So this is the autobiography of some great bird. He is the it is the national bird of peacock is the national bird of India. So I have already told you the biography of the peacock. So you can take any animal and bird in this way. You can write the autobiography. Now we will revise this. Okay. Now question number 9: make a list of channels available on your TV under the following categories. लिस्ट बनानी है आपको. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. सिर्फ नाम लिखना है चैनल. न्यूज चैनल. हाउ मेनी न्यूज चैनल? सो आज तक, एनडीटीवी, लाइकवाइज. ओके, सो न्यूज चैनल्स लिस्ट you have to write down news and make column and write down the news channels list. Okay, then entertainment channels list name you have to write. Sports channel, then movies, and then music. So all the five channels you have to write down. How many music channels you have? So write down this. How many movie channel? Write the name. Okay. Now, which are the channels on which you can watch programs on animals? Animals programs. So which channel you are using or which channel you are watching for the animals program? Wildlife conservation and environment. You have to write down. For example, Discovery is there. So to most popular channel, Discovery. So all the animals facts and whatever related animal related information is given on the channel Discovery. So likewise, you have to write down about this channel also. Okay. Question number 10. Ask your parents to show you TV programs on animals, wildlife, and conservation on channels like the following. See. DD National, National Geographic, Discovery, and Animal Planet. These are the channels. So you have to ask your parents to show you the TV programs on animals, wildlife, conservation, on channels like the following. DD National, National Geographic is there, and Discovery is there, and Animal Planet. So you can watch wildlife and conservation on this TV channel. Now, question number 11. You have won a prize to visit a wildlife sanctuary or national park in Africa or Australia. आपको prize मिला, you have to go to the national park in Africa or Australia. Choose a location and read about it. You have to choose one location, either South Africa or Australia, and read about it. You have to collect information. Imagine that you are visiting it and write a letter to your friend about it. So ये सारी चीज के लिए आपको फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखना है. You want to write down a letter. Okay, so we have done this letter, and in language study, you have to identify the following list is given in the box. The words 4 nouns, 4 verbs, 4 adjectives, 4 adverbs, and 4 pronouns. So this is the, I have shown you. This is the words. So out of this, you have to write down 4 nouns, 4 verbs, 4 adjectives, 4 adverbs, and 4 pronouns. Understood? So let's see. First word is bird. Bird is a noun. Second is wonderful. Wonderful is a adjective. Third, friends. Friends is a noun. Gather. Gather is a verb. Humans. Noun. We. We, it's a pronoun. I, it's a pronoun. Healthy, it's a adjective. Grassland, it's a noun. Help, it's a verb. Directly, it's a adverb. Protect, protect, it's a verb. Arrive, it's a verb. Together, together, it's a adverb. Away, it is also adverb. Happy, it's adjective. Slowly, it's a adverb. Afraid, it's a adjective. You, again, you, it's a pronoun. Us, it's a pronoun. Okay, so this is the noun. So 4 nouns are bird, friends, humans, grassland. Verbs, gather, helps, protect, arrive. Adjectives, wonderful, healthy, happy, afraid. Adverbs, directly, together, away, slowly. Pronoun, we, I, you, us. So these are the noun, verb, adverb, adjective, and nouns. So this is the, here we have finished the revision of this lesson. And your homework is revise all the question answers. of this lesson. revise all the question answers of this lesson. Okay.